Hi, my name is Sam. I am the quality manager here at Anchor Bay Powder Coat. So my daily role is to make sure that we are functioning well with our quality management systems, making sure we're meeting AS9100 standards and also our standards for our customers for our defense. So in my role in quality, it's really given us the confidence, really getting out of the paper trail of stamps and initials on paper and going into a digital tracking system for traceability. It has given me confidence to be able to sit at my desk to see what everyone is doing in the shop floor without seeing it with my own eyes. Yeah, I think it's changed really the whole way we kind of think about everything, you know, where we're trying to get away from the, hey, we've done this, you know, less granular big picture of, hey, we're doing well as a company. Now we're starting to be able to say, all right, we did well on this job, we did bad on this job, we did great on this job. And then we can kind of take those lessons and really see, hey, we're a lot more granular with this, and there's the eyes, like inventory, all that kind of stuff. Like that really has helped us with the efficiency of it. Hey, we have this job that we're running for the next 6 months. Okay, we use for 100 parts, we use 20 pounds of powder. Okay, next week we did it, we used 22 pounds of powder. Okay, so we can say 21 pounds for 100 parts. And then all right, we have 10,000. Now we know how much powder to order. Now we're not gonna over order, under order, or panic or anything like that. We kind of have that information there as well. Certification process before Steelhead, a lot of, you know, stacks of paper, getting them out, giving it to the auditor. Oh, here's this paper here, here's that paper there. Where now it's just sit in front of my computer screen, throw a couple screens at them, they check a couple boxes, and they go out the day. I've actually reduced my audit times by almost a day every audit I've had in the past 2 years because of Steelhead. So we are new for AS9100. Our audit was actually just a few weeks ago, and the new process, you know, was really easy with Steelhead. Honestly, just the way we're able to build it out and manipulate it the way that we want to, able to do our contract reviews, able to flow down our DPAS ratings and ITAR rating, all that stuff, to our employees, to our vendors, and all of that, which is what we need to do for those standards, is to flow down that information, and Steelhead just makes it so easy.